Quantum Matrix Academy.
Today we will talk about the topic probability, and we will know what is a certain event and what is an impossible event. Probability is the mathematical calculation to calculate the possibility of an event. If it will happen, if it will not happen, or how much is the possibility of an event to happen. Certain event is such an event which says that it will certainly happen. There is no possibility of it for not happening. An impossible event is an event which will never happen. For example, we can say, if I say you that what is the possibility of sun to rise in the east today, you will say that the possibility is 100%. This is a certain event. There is no other possibility for the sun to rise in another direction. And in the contrary, we can say, what is an impossible event? Impossible event is such an event which will never happen. Such like we can say that what is the possibility to see the sun in the night? You will say there is no possibility to see the sun in the night because this is an impossible event. So the possibility of happening this event is 0%. So the probability of a certain event is said as 1 and the probability of an impossible event is said as 0. How? We have previously known that the formula to calculate the probability of an event is number of favorable outcomes by number of possible outcomes. So in case of certain event, you know that possible outcome is also 1 and the favorable outcome is also 1. So 1 by 1 equal to 1. An impossible event, in case of that, number of favorable outcome is 0 because there is no possibility to see the sun in the night. So number of favorable outcome will be 0 and possible outcome will be 1. So 0 by 1 equal to 0. Now let us try to calculate another math. Suppose the question is given like this, that if you throw a dice and what is the possibility to get odd number? Okay, so if you throw a dice, the possible outcomes will be, you may get 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, 5 or 6. You cannot get anything else except these 6 numbers. So the number of possible outcome will be 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you want to get an odd number. What are the odd numbers between these 6 numbers? 1, 3 and 5. So the number of odd numbers is 3. So the number of favorable outcome is 3 and number of possible outcome is 6. So if we simplify this, we get this is half. So if you throw a dice and the possibility to get an odd number is half, 1 by 2. Always remember that the probability of an event always lie between 0 and 1. Probability cannot be in a negative number or that cannot happen greater than 1. Probability always lies between 0 and 1. An impossible event holds the probability of 0 and a certain event holds the probability of 1. And another events which may have 50-50 or 70-30 probability, we calculate them in fractions and the value of the fraction is always equal to 1